What's up, YouTube? Speed through the innovator today, and coming at you with a video on changing my sway bar end links and the sway bar end link bushings. I've seen a lot of videos on the sway bar end links, but not on the sway bar end link bushings. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so here's the sway bar. You can see my vice grips on the end of it. Right in here was the bushing. Now you can see up here on the top where it kind of is a clip mechanism. Then at the bottom it's 1/18 millimeter. So what it'll do, it'll swing down, and then you can see that nut. And then you put your new bushing in, which here's the old one. I'll get ready to put my new bushing in, and then I'll just swing it back in place like that, tighten up the 18 millimeter on the end, and I'll go try to get these suckers on. So yeah, the sway bar end links. And the sway bar bushings. So I'll come at you with more. The slack in my sway bar links once I got the sway bar bushing loosened. Alright guys, there's the old sway bar link. Comes off really easy. Just remember which side this little pointy part's on, because that's the orientation of it. So it came off like this. Put it back on like that. Found the best way to start them. Right down there where it's thin. Right down there where it's thin. Excuse my phone. And just work it on up. Go. Okay, so that's how it came off. New mount. I like to slide this in place first and then put this back up and then just have my nut ready. But yeah, these are pretty easy, guys. It's not gonna help your sway bar link slack, but it will help the clacking underneath. So let me get her into position here. And then right here the bushing isn't on all the way, but it's in basically the right spot. So I'm just gonna push the nut on and then I'll impact it the rest of the way. Alright guys, I took a video in the play on my sway bar links. I'm still gonna replace these, but I need to cut them off because these are rust froze. But there's no more play in them. And that's just by doing the $3 bushings, so that's awesome.